So we are unboxing DJI Action 5 Pro, which is brought from DesignInfo. Let's do it. This is original packaging. Just got it from DesignInfo. So here are the accessories. I bought the adventure pack. So mobile battery. This is the camera. Small tiny camera. Then this is the cover. Some accessories, screws, and battery and cover. Yes, and this is another accessory, which is the stick, selfie stick, you can say. Looks premium, thanks to DesignInfo. Let's see how to open. I'm doing it first time. Yeah. Yes. It looks nice. Now we'll try to start it. Let's open the batteries first. Yes, we have 3 batteries. This is very handy. Now let's start. English. Device name. Scan QR code. We'll do the setup and let you know the feedback. Thanks for watching.